Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I got a little DIY tool and I'm going to show you how I use it to remove some grassy weeds from my bluegrass out here. This is Poa annua. It's an annual grassy type weed. This is in my Kentucky bluegrass. I don't want it here. I brought in a bunch of dirt, doing a whole lot of leveling in a full-blown renovation I did. Chances are it came in from that, or the seeds had been laying here dormant for years, and when I disturbed the ground, it reared its nasty head. Nevertheless, I want it gone. Chemical control for this is little to none, because I've got Kentucky bluegrass right here, and then I've got the Poa annua right here. They're in the exact same family of grasses. So as far as chemicals go, there's very little to no extraction for this, meaning there's just no chemicals available that'll take this out but won't harm my desired plant, which is the Kentucky bluegrass. So I have a few options. One, I can round up it and kill this individual plant right here. And what's going to also happen is I'm probably going to kill a little bit of bluegrass around it. Instead of doing that, I'm going to physically remove the plant. This tool is called a Pro Plugger. First thing I want to do is definitely want to remove these seed heads, because that is next year's crop and I need that gone. Next thing I'm going to do is take this tool, get right in the center of the plant. You can see I've got a second one over here. And I've actually got a third one right here. And we get up real close, you can see there's the center of the plant right there. And I feel real confident that I've actually done away with this individual plant and it won't be a nuisance anymore. Now what I've done is went over to another part of the yard and taken out some really good healthy bluegrass, and watch this right here. That is so incredibly cool. I really like this tool a lot. Now we come over here, I find another undesired grass plant I have out here in my bluegrass. I'm going to kind of pull it up like that, find the center of it. Yeah, I could actually just pull that out if I wanted to. But I'm going to take this, put it over the center, physically remove it. And replace it with some really nice Kentucky bluegrass. You can see right here I've got another little chunk of undesired grass plant. Remove it. Replace it with some really nice Kentucky bluegrass. And you can see right here I've got what appears to be some clover starting. I'm not at all worried about that. That's a broadleaf weed. There are selective herbicides on the market that will easily control that. So I'll just wait and do my spring weed control and that'll be gone. And of course that will not harm my desired turf. Now I would like to say, if you're going after Poa annua specifically, you want to do this when the plant is young and small, so that you can actually get the entire plant out. Now if you run into a larger plant like this, that means you might need more plugs. So there you go. I think this is an incredibly cool tool that any DIY guy or gal should have in their shed. I'm gonna put mine to good use, that's for sure. Now I don't have an Amazon link or nothing like that to give to you, but I do have a favor to ask. Go to smile.amazon.com. I think you can use your exact same login as you do for normal Amazon. If not, it's super easy. You just create an account. You get all those same cool benefits that you get with normal Amazon. If you use smile.amazon, you'll be prompted to select a charity It'd be really cool if you selected Team Jacks. That's my son's foundation, to where any monies that we bring in, we take to Philadelphia with us and give it to these people that actually need the money to put gas in their car, to buy food, to pay their hospital bills, to pay their hotel rooms. And we have been fortunate enough and blessed enough to be able to take this money to them. So every time you buy something with Smile.Amazon and you use Team Jacks as your charity, that just helps us help more people. It is an absolute joy to be able to take money to these families, give it to them because they need it. There's absolutely nothing like it. Say, as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.